I know I promised to do a waterfall video, but trust me, this is absolutely mesmerizing. Welcome, adventurers, to a journey unlike any other. Today, we delve deep into the heart of nature's masterpiece, a breathtaking cave hidden within the embrace of Earth. As we explore its ancient corridors, let the whispers of the past ignite our creativity and inspire us to craft something truly remarkable. In the dim glow of flickering torches, we unearth treasures untold, each stalactite and stalagmite a testament to the passage of time. Emerging from the depths, our minds ablaze with inspiration. We return to the surface with a vision of rustic beauty, of nature's infused into every fiber of our creation. So join me, fellow adventurer, as we journey from the depths of Earth to the warmth of home, crafting not just decorations, but memories that will last a lifetime. If you are as passionate about travel and crafts as I am, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts on whether you prefer more details about the places I visit for inspiration, or if you would rather dive straight into the creative process. Your feedback helps shape the content, so don't hesitate to share your preferences. And also, if you like this cave, drop a comment below if you're itching to know its whereabouts. And in the next video, I'll reveal its coordinates. While I was rummaging through my attic, I found treasures from what feels like years ago. Items I crafted in different lifetime. Take this old black pot for instance. Despite its rustic charm, I can't help but see it as a canvas for my erosion collection. Let's bring this beautiful creation to life. I'm starting by applying a chalk paint to conceal the black color completely. For those curious about the materials used, check out the description below for a detailed list. Now, I know I promised a waterfall project, and fear not, it's still in the works, probably hitting your screens this Friday. But oh my, this cave, it's simply inspiring. Now on to the fun part. I'll be incorporating mostly natural ingredients like coffee, limestone powder and stone powder. As some of you might know, I have a penchant for crafting with stones, using them for pigments in my paintings. If you're new here, feel free to explore my other videos to see the full process. Alright, it's time for the first dip. I'm applying a generous amount of glue to the base of the vessel, using medium to create texture. You can also experiment with ingredients like baking soda, salt or sand for different effects. That's now easy, but it took me years to practice the technique for such build-up of layers and find the right materials. The thing that isn't that easy is learning to mimic nature. Yeah, nature is great, and you there who's watching, take care of it. Don't pollute it. Embrace it. Let it heal you. And I know you've been through a lot recently, but I hope you find how healing nature can be. Once this layer is dry, I mix some crushed rock, coffee and tint of charcoal. Mixing that, applying another layer of glue and dipping into the mixture. I have completed a large, natural, rustic-looking collection that I sell online. It's currently at exhibition, so you can't see the prices on the website. It's some weird gallery restriction, but you can request it on my website or drop an email if you wish to have it. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'll put the name in the description so it's easier for you to keep track of all the products I upload. I use coffee to add depth and warmth here and there. That later will reveal beautiful sepia hue. We are all children of digital media, but still yet open-minded, and we shall not forget how important it is to spend time with Earth itself. Now adding glue stick to the edges, so the leftover mixture with coffee will stick to the pot. Moving on to the bottom, I repeat the technique using the dark mixture for more worn out look. Now I'm finishing off with a silk sand based top coat. It's water based, no smell, but such good product for the thing I'm doing right now. It not only protects and deeply seals the decoration, but also makes them water resistant, kills all bacteria and leaves this matte finish that makes it appear natural. Always use gloves for that, because it's skin irritating. You can't imagine how grateful I am for living in such wonderful nature, full of joy, freshness, nostalgia, and a hint of mystery. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because there'll be much more things like that in future. I hope you liked the video and give it a thumbs up if you like the final product. And as I said, I sell those things on my website. If you're interested, just go check it out and have a great day. Thank you.